Okay, this afternoon students at higher level Irish, and I'd just like to go through the paper now. My overview of the paper would be, it was a very clear paper. I think it'd be a very popular paper. I think there was something there that would have suited every student. One thing that catches my attention, there was a very, very nice open title in the essay, Scéalt the Mór an Léan U. What makes that so attractive would be that students will be able to write on any topic that they would have prepared that wasn't directly printed on the paper, and I'd say it'd be a very, very popular choice. In the B section, Scéal, which isn't generally that popular, the Seanachal is Classy na Cnici Balún would have been very accessible to students. It's certainly a little Seanachal that is used maybe even on a weekly basis in class. Students would have no difficulty understanding it, unlike the one that featured last year. In the debate section, deals with the wonderful progress that the women of Ireland have made in recent years. I think students might need to have specific knowledge on certain women, so I don't think it's going to be as popular a choice as maybe if the debate had been based on maybe the water charges or else the educational system. The speech at the end, in fact, did deal with the educational system, how good it was in Ireland. Indeed, the students can say yay or nay, they can talk about both sides on that. In the paper altogether, alcohol, drugs, the educational system, and indeed that's state of the Irish language, also in the essay section, would have been topics that students would have prepared and would have known an awful lot about. They would have spoken about them at the recent oral maybe 6 or 7 weeks ago. Overall, I think it's a good paper. I've spoken to one or two students, they seem very happy, and in fact if the student is happy, that's the most important thing.